Alright everyone, we're back out here on Bussy Woods doing some more frog fishing. Let's get to it. Fluorocarbon line. Don't do it, no. No, 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 no. That bird is literally trying to attack. No. Out of here. This bird is literally circling me, waiting for me to throw the spook. Alright guys, going back to the spot that I originally had all these frogfish, and we've had some rain, so a lot of these grass mats are kind of gone. I'm hoping when we pull over here, that stuff that's normally always there is there, but this whole weed line is kind of, I'm sure there's grass underneath still, obviously, but we're dealing with some high water here. There's one. There we go, guys. How did he come off? And I messed that hook set up. The only way to get better though is to keep doing it. That one missed it for sure. Alright guys, we're going. Got the motor up. I had to get out of the sweater. We're gonna go deep into this stuff and see what we can make happen. Paddle through this stuff. I'm not gonna lie. I'm trying to find deeper water with thick cover. There's bigger fish to swim. Kind of just paddle through all this. Alright, let's see if we have luck here. A little update for you guys. I had several misses. One I actually had a chance to hook up with, and nothing after that. Yep, get him out. He committed. He committed. Get him in here. Get him in here. We can't afford to lose him. Alright guys. Jack the Giant. Jack the freaking Giant finally. Yeah, go. Nice, healthy fish. So, GoPro died out right after I landed that fish. Caught some footage off my phone of the release. Kind of your last minute good luck charm, I guess. Now they're gonna start biting. Alright guys, been about 15-20 minutes since our first one, and then we got this enormous fatty here. So here we go with the release again. Alright everyone, we're heading out. Decided to call it a day a little earlier than I was expecting to. But we ended up with 2 good-sized fish, a ton of blow-ups, a bird attacking me, and yeah,